Identify the first wall section required. In this example, the door is the first element next to the property. So we are measuring out the size of the door aperture to ensure our first wall section is in the correct position. Before adding any wall sections, add a line of silicone to the top of the skirt to provide a weather-tight seal. Make sure the wall section is in line with the skirting before you secure into place. Secure the wall section onto the steel base by first pre-drilling, then fix down using the 45mm self-tapping screws provided. Now add the wall sections together as per your plan, ensuring that you add a line of silicone to the skirt before placing and securing to the base. Add a further line of silicone to the sides of each wall section and use the 25mm bolts to fasten each wall section together.